I just get the feeling, Leslie, one of the reasons I wanted to include this some is if we reclaimed that sense of relationship with the earth, that, we're essentially those entrusted with caring for it, helping it to bring forth its very best, then if we asked that question over every expenditure we make, every decision we make related to the earth, how do I think this is going to affect the earth? May not be able to eliminate all of the damage, but we certainly could turn the tide.
Hmm.
And so that's why I think this renter's image is an interesting one, for this.